Welcome to my class. Lesson learn about sentences. Sentence is: I avoid sugary drinks. I avoid sugary drinks. The next sentence is: I catch a cold. I catch a cold. The next sentence is: I cough frequently. I cough frequently. The next sentence is: I do yoga regularly. I do yoga regularly. The next sentence is: I eat healthy food. I eat healthy food. The next sentence is: I feel much better. I feel much better. The next sentence is: I get some exercise. I get some exercise. The next sentence is: I get vaccinated. I get vaccinated. The next sentence is: I go for a walk every day. The next sentence is: I go to the hospital. I go to the hospital. The next sentence is: I have a fever. I have a fever. The next sentence is: I have a headache. I have a headache. The next sentence is: I have a stomach ache. I have a stomach ache. The next sentence is: I put on my glasses. I put on my glasses. The next sentence is: I sit in the garden. I sit in the garden. The next sentence is: I stay in bed. I stay in bed. The next sentence is: I take medicine. I take medicine. The next sentence is: I take off my glasses. The next sentence is: I wear a hat outside. I wear a hat outside. The next sentence is: I yawn a lot. I yawn a lot. The next sentence is: I open the door. I open the door. The next sentence is: I close the door. I close the door. The next sentence is: I wash my hands. I wash my hands. The next sentence is: I dry my hands. I dry my hands.